my name is Brianna. If you're new, welcome, and if you're an OG subscriber, thank you so much for returning to my video. We are doing a easy braid install, or braided pony install. Does that make sense? I think it makes sense. Yeah, so that's what this video is all about. I'm trying to preserve my silk press as long as possible, and I'm thinking, you know, why not a braided ponytail? So that's what this video is all about, and it's super easy, and I'm gonna tell you why. So if you're interested in seeing exactly how I'm going to install this, just keep on watching. Okay, so like I've stated a little bit in the beginning, I am doing a braided ponytail, and what makes it so easy is it's a pre-braided ponytail. It's a pre-braided ponytail that's 42 inches, y'all. Yes, I am like game changer for me, for sure. Anyway, because like I'm not the type, I've never been the type to know how to braid my hair. Even if I've tried in the past, I have tried in the past to do like a braided ponytail with, you know, the braiding hair, but it just never comes out right. So when I saw this off of Amazon, yes, off of Amazon, I had to get it. Let's go ahead and get started. I don't know. I don't think I want to do like a middle part. I think I want to do more of like a side part. So that's what we're gonna do. And as I'm doing this, like I, say, y'all, like I'm not good at like braiding my hair and stuff like that, and it doesn't come out as, great as possible. So don't come for me in the comments, because I'm not one of them, okay? Everybody can do, simple braiding. It's not even simple to me. I think it's very unique when people know how to actually like braid from the scalp. Oh shit, braid from the scalp. So yeah. Okay, and so I'm going to be using my Afro Sheen slick back cream styler. I absolutely love this stuff because it helps slick down my hair, but it also doesn't like revert my hair back to like its more like natural state, meaning like I don't have like waves and stuff in my hair. So I really prefer to use this instead of like using gel and stuff. So yeah, so that's what this is. I will definitely have it in the card, in this description if you're interested. So yeah, very thick. Ooh, I think I put a lot on my hands. I think I put too much. But it's a very like thick, it's a very like thick product. So I know it's going to help keep my hair like down without reverting it back, if that makes sense. Ah! I got a lot. I have a lot in my hair right now. And if you are worried about like white residue, it'll go away, so don't worry about that. I'm actually going to go in with my Edge Fixer Maximum Hold by Kiss. This is in the watermelon scent. I like to work it like around my edges a little bit to make sure I get that hold for sure that I need before I go in and like do some type of like baby hair styling. Okay, so yeah, so it's in a little pony in the back, and now I'm going to do some type of baby hairs a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, last, before I put my the actual ponytail in, I like to spray my hair a little bit, and I'm spraying it with the Eben Extreme Firm Hold adhesive spray. Well, yeah. I like to wrap it up. Okay, and now it's time for the install. And this pony does have little combs, one for like the middle and then like towards the side. And then of course this is just to wrap around your actual hair so you won't see anything. So I always, let's see, I do it at the base, practically at the base. Hope y'all can see a little bit. For the first comb, and then the second comb, I like to do like kind of like on the sides a little bit. And then once that is secure, I will take the actual band and wrap it around the actual hair. Take my bobby pins, and once I got to the end of the hair, take my bobby pin and just pin it. And this is the finished product. Here's my ponytail. It looks so good, y'all. Like super, super easy. If I wasn't recording, yes, of course, it would be like less than like 10 minutes install. You don't have to necessarily get like 2 bags of braiding hair, or 1 bag, I'm sorry. You don't have to get like a bag of braiding hair, especially if you don't know how to like coordinate. It's just a lot. It's just a lot. So I like super, super easy things. This was definitely off of Amazon, and I'm so glad that they put this on Amazon. 42 inches, so you know it's a long pony. So yeah, I really do love the install. Everything came out looking great and super easy to do, super easy to maintain until you actually, like, you already know, get your hair washed or get it redone. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel, because we already know that you're coming back. And until next time, guys, bye.